so sorry it took so long, but got a new style update for you guys. These are Butterfly Locs, and they turned out so cute. So I want to show y'all how I do it, of course. And I'm gonna start off with the most important thing is a lot of people use the free tress curly hair, but this is the brand that I use, and I think this hair was so cute, nice and curly. The hair is a little more expensive than braiding hair, but it's so worth it, and get you some leave-in conditioner. And I like to use the that Murray's Edge Control. So I'm not gonna really go into details of how I do my sectioning because I did that on my first video, but I always start off with some brick-layered squares. These are slightly smaller than what I do my box braids, but you really need that latch hook too, and I forgot to mention that as well as a key step. And you basically just pull the hair through each of your braids that you got there. And I used one piece of the curl and then took another curl and wrapped around that piece of hair. I hope I'm explaining this correctly, but this style is super easy. It's kind of like a free form kind of style because it's form, but it's still a lock, so it doesn't have to be super perfect. But the main thing that you're doing is wrapping hair around another piece of hair, literally. There's so many methods to do this style as well. This is just the easiest and quickest one that I found, which still took a while for me because it's a two-process style. You have to braid the hair first or add the hair first and then wrap around it. So yeah, and it's super simple. The only thing you do different to get the butterfly effect, because this style is a lot like faux locs. I always say faux locs, but faux locs, except they're a bit more distressed. So what I mean by that is they don't really have to be perfectly wrapped to get that butterfly effect. You usually let your thumb or finger get in the way on purpose while you're wrapping the hair around, and then remove your finger, and it kind of leaves that imperfection there, which gives the butterfly effect. So you just twist and wrap until you want the butterfly effect to start showing on the lock. So you, like I said, just keep your finger in the way, your thumb or your index finger, while you're wrapping, and then remove it from the lock as you're twisting down, and it will interrupt the lock and give it that effect that you're looking for to make it look distressed. So I'm getting sleepy, as you can see, and halfway through the hair. And I'm gonna eventually end up cutting them a little shorter because they were just so long and this style is so fluffy. Like, when I say this hair is light, it is nothing like getting box braids. It feels like there's still nothing on my head, literally. So because the hair is so fluffy, I just thought it would be cuter short. So I started doing that. But you see that the stressed look there I'm showing you? That's the key part of the video. I want you to focus on how I'm wrapping that hair around my finger and letting it get in the way, and then just removing it so it could be left distressed. And there you have it. And I'm just gonna keep doing that around my whole head over and over and over. And want to give a close-up at the end too, so I can show you how I seal off the lock. Once you get to the bottom, and you twist or wrap the hair around and around, you start to twist it upward. You want to kind of confuse the pattern, and it confuses the hair so it doesn't unravel easy. And so, you know, you were twisting down, you twisting back up until you run out of hair. And a lot of times there's always like a string of hair that you can pull. Those little single strings of hair makes it even better because you can really lock the hair in by twisting it around, and see it kind of just forms that lock. So in the front part of my hair, I'm just showing y'all that I cut it. I know I mentioned that already. But the front part, you can kind of see closer what I'm doing, and give you a little bit more detailed view. But like I said, this style is very lightweight. It's super easy to do. All you need is patience and time. If you can sit here for a few hours and do it, then you can get it done. I am back on the couch again because, you know, I want to watch TV and let the time pass by while I'm doing it. So this is like my go-to spot to do my hair, even though I need to be on my desk somewhere. But y'all get the point. And just keep wrapping, keep wrapping, keep wrapping, and keep wrapping. And the curly look really depends on the hair that you get. Like, you can get some hair that's tighter curls and it'll look more like a lock. Looser curls will have a different look too. So it really depends on the type of hair you get. I see butterfly locks all the time, and the hair texture will look different, or the lock will look different. So keep that in mind as well. The type of hair you get determines how the lock actually ends up looking. I would like to say the curlier hair would be better because you don't have to worry about anything unraveling. Some people do use nail glue at the end to seal it. I didn't really have to do it with this set. I guess because the hair texture allowed me to wrap it and keep it and tight, I guess, in that same form. So it doesn't have to be too coarse. Also, you can use some Marley hair, half Marley hair and half this wavy hair or curly water wave hair too, if you want to make it more firm or the texture a little bit more like a lock, if that makes sense. They turn out so cute though, so cute, and I'm so excited. Like I said, I just wanted this to be a quick update. I didn't want to make the video too long, but to just show you guys what I'm up to with my hair. It is back black. I get tired of stuff really quick, so do not mind me. But it was so hard finding braiding hair to match my exact same hair color. It's crazy, and it's probably my fault because I mix so many different colors together. So next time I know if I plan on coloring my hair and keeping it in different styles to stick to one color. Yeah. But you guys see how I'm just effortlessly wrapping that hair around, just wrap it around. You would think this style takes like 2 hours the way it is, but oh no, baby. It took me all night to do this, but I had to get it done. And I've been going to the gym and stuff, and sweating, and taking my baby to school, and doing all types of stuff. So I needed my hair braided. Even if I wear my fro, I feel like I do a lot to keep that fro perfect. So every now and then it's just time for a protective style. And it really grows your hair out too. So I recommend you guys doing protective styles every now and then. And this one is perfect because you can keep it moisturized and spray it, and even tighten up the roots by just wrapping around hair when it starts to get old. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I will be back for another video. Thanks again. Bye.